Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question calculating probability from the three diagrams. So when a color ball is drawn from a bag, a coin tossed once or twice, okay, depending on the color of the ball drawn. There are three, okay, we got blue 3, yellow 2, and black 1. The three diagrams show the possibility of outcomes. Okay, blue, we got 3, so 3 over 6. We simplify this 1 over 2. Yellow, we got 2 over 6. We simplify, it's gonna be 1 over 3. And the last, for black, is only 1 over 6. Okay, for the here coin, head or tail, so all of them is gonna be a half, here also a half, the probability a half, and a half, all probability. B, calculate the probability of a blue ball and a head. Okay, blue and a head. So we got blue, here's B, blue plus head. Okay, if this is 2, a combine the probability, so we'll multiply it. So let's make it blue and head. So we got 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So the probability to get a blue and a head is 1 over 4. Next, yellow and 2 head. Okay, yellow and then 2 head. Okay, here yellow, head and head again. So C, yellow, head with head. So we got 1 over 3 for the yellow, head 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So here is 1 over 12. Next probability for black, I will write it here, D. So this is black. Not black. Calculate the probability that you will not get heads at all. Okay, so without heads, we got blue and tail. This is 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, so 1 over 4. And then we got yellow tail and tail, so we got 1 over 3 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So we got as 1 over 12. Next, black and, okay, this is blue, here is black and tail. So this is 1 over 6 times 1 over 2. So we got as 1 over 12. So we can just addition all the probability. This is D, not heads at all. So we got 1 over 4 plus by 1 over 12 plus by 1 over 12. Here we can make it to be over 12. So 3 divided by 12 plus 1 over 12. Okay, the numerator are equal. So just write it 12 and 3 plus 1 and plus 1 equal to 5. Okay, number 2, the three diagrams show the possibility outcomes when 2 coins are tossed. Okay, copy and complete the 3 diagram to show the possibility outcomes when a third coin tossed. Okay, we can just add more here. Head and tail. Also head and tail, head and tail, head and tail. 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Yeah, 1 over 2 for head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, and tail. So calculate the probability of tossing 3 heads. Okay, 3 head. So here the first head we got 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 again and multiplied by 1 over 2. So the probability to get 3 heads is 1 over 8. Calculate the probability of getting at least 2 tails. Okay, at least 2 tails. So first we got head, tail, and tail. So here is 1/2 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by 1/2. Total is 1/8. Next, what is the probability to get 2 tail? Here, tail, head, and tail. So 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 equal to 1/8. Okay, and what else to get at least? Okay, tail, and head. So this is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 equal to 1/8. The last, we got 3 of them tail. So here 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 equal to 1/8. So here we will get at least 2 tails. So we can just addition them. So 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 and then plus by 1/8 is equal to 4/8. We could simplify to be 1/2. D. Calculate the probability of getting fewer head than tail. Okay, fewer head than tail. Okay, there it is. Fewer head, we got head, no, head, tail, no, here. This is not. Because 3 of them head, and tail. Okay, head is still bigger, head, tail, and head. No, head is bigger, head. Okay, head, tail, and tail. We wrote it. Next, tail, head, and head. No, tail, head, and tail. Okay, we wrote it. Tail. Okay, here it is. So it's the same thing as C. So we can just write it 1/2. Calculate the probability of getting an equal numbers of head and tail. Now, since there are 3, look at this, 3 coin. So this is 0 or not possible on 3 coins because this is odd. Next, number 3, we need to copy and this diagram and complete it by filling the probability. Okay, look at total probability is 1. So to get it this probability 1, we multiply by 0.7. So we got as 0.3. For this part, so we got 1 minus by 0.18. So we got as 0.82. So here is 0.82. Okay, to find the probability of AC, so this is AC, so we can make it 0.3 multiplied by 0.82. So this equal to 0.246. Next, AD. So we got 0.3 multiplied by 0.18. We multiply it, so we got as 0.05. How about here, BC and BD? Okay, to get it, BD, this is 0.7 multiplied what a number? This equal to 0.455. So here we can divide it to get this number. Okay, so here we divide by 0.7 and square. So we got the probability of 0.65 and 1 minus by 0.65 is 0.35. Okay, we can just multiply it to get BC 0.7 times 0.35. This is equal to 0.245. Okay, number 4. Juan picks a piece of fruit at random from a bowl containing 5 plums. Okay, we got 5 plums, 7 mangoes, and 4 bananas. He eats the fruit, then pick another one at random. Okay, if first at plum, so we can just minus it here. So it's gonna be 4 plum, and the probability is gonna be 4. Here is 7 and 4. The total is 4 plus 7 and then plus by 4. So this is divided by 15. If this is mango, okay, for the mango, so this is still will become 6m. Here still 5. So here is 5/15, or we could simply divide to be 3/5. No, so I mean 1/3. Mango is 6/15, so 6/15, and here bananas is 4/15. Now goes for bananas. So the bananas here is gonna be 3b, while the rest are equal. So 5/15 is 1/3. Here is 7/15 and 3/15, or simplify to be 1/5. Okay, determine the probability that Juan will eat a banana first. Okay, so 1/4, then follow it by the plum. So here 1/3. So we can multiply, the probability is 1/12. There it is. Thank you.